14 tips to get a girl's attention in the best way possible. Have you ever found yourself captivated by a girl, but unsure of how to make her notice you? Perhaps she knows who you are, but when it comes to flirting, you feel paralyzed by nerves. Or maybe you're trying to find a way to transition from being just friends to something more meaningful. Whatever the case, getting a girl's attention doesn't have to be daunting or confusing. With the right approach, you can capture her interest while staying true to yourself. Below, we'll dive into 14 practical tips to help you connect with her on a deeper level, and perhaps even win her heart. 1. Don't try too hard. One of the biggest mistakes guys make is trying too hard to impress a girl. This can come across as fake, needy, or even desperate, qualities that will push her away rather than draw her in. Instead, focus on being authentic. Let her get to know the real you, and trust that your natural charm will shine through. Trying too hard can create unnecessary pressure, so relax and let things develop naturally. 2. Show confidence, even if you don't feel it. Confidence is incredibly attractive. You don't need to be the loudest or most extroverted guy in the room, but you do need to believe in your own worth. Confidence isn't about arrogance, it's about self-assuredness. Walk tall, maintain good posture, and approach her with a warm smile. Remember, if you don't believe in yourself, how can you expect her to? 3. Compliment her thoughtfully. A genuine compliment can make a girl feel seen and appreciated. Instead of focusing solely on her looks, try to notice and highlight something unique about her, like her laugh, her taste in books, or the way she lights up when she talks about her passions. A thoughtful compliment shows you've been paying attention and appreciate her for who she is, not just for her appearance. 4. Take an interest in her hobbies. If you want to stand out, show her that you care about what matters to her. Ask about her interests, and engage in meaningful conversations about the things she's passionate about. Even if you don't share her hobbies, showing curiosity and support will help build a connection. Relationships built on shared interests tend to have stronger foundations. 5. Surprise her with thoughtful gestures. A small, thoughtful gift or gesture can leave a lasting impression. It doesn't have to be extravagant. Sometimes, the simplest things mean the most. For instance, if she mentions her favorite coffee, surprise her with it one day. These acts of kindness show that you listen and care, making her feel valued. 6. Make her laugh. A great sense of humor is one of the most effective ways to win someone over. Laughter breaks down barriers and creates an instant connection. Don't force jokes or resort to humor at your own expense. Instead, find ways to bring genuine joy to her day. The more she associates you with positive feelings, the more likely she is to think of you fondly. 7. Be trustworthy. Trust is the cornerstone of any relationship. If you want her to notice you for the right reasons, show her that you're reliable and honest. Keep your promises, be consistent, and avoid playing games. When she feels she can trust you, she'll be more open to letting you into her life. 8. Pursue your own passions. Having your own hobbies and interests shows that you're a well-rounded individual. Passion is attractive, so don't shy away from sharing what excites you. Whether it's photography, hiking, or music, let her see how dedicated you are to the things you love. This not only adds depth to your personality, but also demonstrates that you have a fulfilling life outside of your interest in her. 9. Truly listen to her. Active listening is an underrated but powerful way to connect. When she speaks, give her your full attention. Avoid interrupting or planning your next response while she's talking. Instead, show that you're engaged by asking follow-up questions and remembering the details of what she shares. This will make her feel respected and understood. 10. Give her space. As counterintuitive as it might seem, giving her space can make her miss you. Being too available can sometimes make you seem overly eager or clingy. Allow her to spend time on her own or with friends, and don't overwhelm her with constant attention. Absence truly can make the heart grow fonder. 11. Stand your ground. Girls appreciate men who have their own opinions and aren't afraid to stand by them. While it's important to be kind and accommodating, don't let her walk all over you. By standing your ground, you show that you respect yourself, and that's a quality she'll respect too. 12. Show your sensitive side. While confidence and strength are important, so is vulnerability. Let her see your sensitive side, whether it's by sharing a personal story or expressing your feelings about something meaningful to you. This shows emotional depth and helps create a deeper connection. 13. Be a gentleman. Chivalry isn't dead, and small acts of kindness can go a long way. Hold the door open, offer her your jacket if it's cold, or simply treat her with respect and consideration. These gestures show that you care about her comfort and happiness. 14. Take pride in your appearance. Your appearance is often the first thing people notice about you, so make it count. You don't have to look like a model, but practicing good hygiene, dressing well, and staying groomed can make a big difference. When you take pride in how you present yourself, it signals self-respect and confidence, qualities that are hard to ignore. Final thoughts. Getting a girl's attention isn't about tricks or gimmicks. It's about being authentic, kind, and confident. By following these 14 tips, you'll not only increase your chances of catching her eye, but also set the stage for a meaningful and lasting connection. Remember, the key is to stay true to yourself and let your genuine qualities shine through. After all, the right girl will appreciate you for who you are. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.